Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got the Lycamobile SIM inserted and a charged phone. Now activate data. First, power on, unlock device, and confirm the SIM shows carrier name. Then call or text the activation code sent in the welcome SMS or log into your Lycamobile account and register the SIM number. Do this because the network needs your SIM linked to your account for data provisioning. Once done, top up with a data plan that matches your usage and confirm your plan appears under My Account before testing connectivity. Configure APN settings so your device can route internet. On Android, go to Settings Network and Internet Mobile Network Access Point names. On iPhone, go to Settings Cellular Data Network. Create or edit an APN. Set APN to data, leave username/password blank unless required, add MMSC or proxy only if provided. Save and select this APN. This lets the phone use Lycamobile's gateway. Make sure mobile data and roaming, if needed, are enabled before testing a web page or app. Finish by testing and finalizing settings. Restart the phone to apply APN changes, then disable and re-enable mobile data and try loading a web page or streaming a short video. If data is still not working, switch network mode to 4G/3G in mobile network settings and try manual network selection on Lycamobile. If problems persist, clear or reset APN to default and repeat activation steps. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, remove and reinsert the SIM, then contact Lycamobile support with your SIM number and recent top-up details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.